Yes, this is it. Number 1. My first vlog ever. My first vlog of 2019. So I will take the opportunity to introduce myself so you all know who I am, and tell you a little bit more about the purpose of the channel, so you all know what to expect of this VFR pilot channel. So for starters, my name is Yuri Lebon. I am born and raised in Belgium, and I live in Bruges, the Venice of the North. It's in the northwest part of Belgium. Lovely city. If you have the opportunity, come and visit. It's worthwhile. My mother gave birth in 1978, so feel free to calculate my age. I don't like to talk about it, but hey, you are free to calculate it. I am married and I have 2 little girls. Professionally, I'm not a pilot. I just do that for fun. I am passionate about aviation. It's a hobby, it's in my veins, and I can't get out of it. So I love it, so that's why I'm decided to start vlogging my adventures. So I have my PPLA pilot license for over 10 years now. I fly mainly VFR flights in a single engine piston prop driven aircrafts. So I'm not an IFR rated pilot, maybe in the future, but for the moment it's only VFR. But I thought it would be fun to share my adventures with you guys. So yeah, you can expect a lot of that to come. I will try to vlog at least once or 2 times a month, so once or twice. And that will be about my adventures in flying. So mainly I fly the Mole MXT7 or the Grope 115. The Mole is a 4-seater, the Grope is a 2-seater. So yeah, I take them on a spin and have some nice adventures with it, together with 2 good friends. So they will appear in a lot of my adventures. And those adventures are mainly based in Belgium, the Netherlands, Germany, France and the UK, since this is all in range of short flights from 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, because the longer flights you have to take some time to prepare that, and for now it's only possible once or twice a year, but those will also be vlogged, so stay tuned for that. But mainly, yeah, flying VFR around my home base, Echo Bravo Kilo Tango. That's Kortrijk Wevenham in Belgium. It's in the southwest part of Belgium, and yeah, it's a local airfield. A lot of business flights there, and the 2 aircrafts I fly are based there. So yeah, expect a lot of that. So we fly mainly to little events, fly-ins or fly-outs. We go to outdoor cinemas with the aircraft. We put up the tents underneath the wing. Yeah, visiting small airfields in France, going on lunch. So it's a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun in the aircraft, in the cockpit. We are young guys. We like to have fun with other aviation minded people. So yeah, you can expect a lot of that. Maybe also a little bit of virtual flying. I'm also into the flight simulator business. I like to fly Flight Simulator Prepare 3D. So maybe in not flying weather, I will start a vlog about that. You will see. So mainly all aviation stuff will be vlogged. I will try to get a goal during the vlog. So this year I think I will start with my VFR night rating. That will be achieved, I think, around November, December in 2019, because the days are getting longer and it's harder to get your night license if the airfields are closing before it is dark. So that's something for the end of this year. So that is a goal I'm setting myself. I would like to achieve this year. Another goal can be the IFR of the instrument rating. So maybe this will be in the upcoming years, we will see. But mainly having fun in the aircraft together with friends, and I would like to share that all with you. And yeah, if you have requests, if you would like to see how I prepare my flights, how to pre-check the aircraft for flight, other things explained, yeah, just put them in the comments below so I can see what is possible there. And for the rest, yeah, I would say subscribe to the channel, because it's important to me. It gives me a lot of good feeling to know that you guys are following the channel. And if you like to be notified when the next video will be released, hit the bell icon so you get a notification when it's online. And okay, yeah, if you like the video, smash that thumbs up button. It's always nice to know if everybody likes the vlogs I'm making. If you don't like it, put the thumbs down button, but give me a comment why you don't like it, what you would like to see different, what I need to change, because I'm not a professional vlogger at the moment. Who knows in the future, but it's not a purpose to take that goal. I just want to share my aviation adventures with you all, because most of the big vloggers are based in the US or in Australia, so I thought maybe an European Belgian guy can start vlogging and sharing the adventures in this part of the country. I would also like to address that I'm not a native speaking English guy, so you will definitely hear it on my accent. Don't shoot me about it. You can always give some comments down below so I can make sure it's in the future it's going to be better. But hey, okay, you have to take it like it is. I'm a Dutch guy, I'm from Europe, I'm not an Englishman or from the US, so okay, it is what it is. So for the rest, I would say subscribe to the channel, smash that thumbs up button, and leave a comment down below if you are liking what you see. If you don't like what you see, just say it, maybe we can change. And if you have suggestions, let me know, and we will see what we can do about it. So now you know who I am, what I'm going to do with the rest of the channel. I would like to wish you also a nice 2019, a good health, a lot of blue skies and tailwinds, and we see you on the next vlog, and hopefully that will be a flying one. And remember, be small, think big. Ciao.